Okay, so I thought I'd show you how to assemble the Sci-Fi crate version 2, just to give you an idea of how the Diceboxes go together. Part 2. Obviously the different styles are all different, but they follow this basic theme. There's no fasteners, no screws or anything required, but you do need some super glue to mix it together. First thing to do is to take the main body and put this in. I'll print this in a separate colour, but you can print it in the same colour. Doesn't make any difference at all. A little bit of super glue just in that slot there. And again, a little bit of super glue in that slot there. Try not to let it run out, and then I'll slide the main shoot part in. That is now slitted. That is slotted in nicely into that section there, held in nice and square. And just to speed up the process, spray on a little bit of super glue accelerant. And then we go and put the door parts on. This here is the really small switch. So on this particular design, this goes in now. There, the hole. Okay. And then we'll fit the door. So the way this one works is there's a little groove there, door piece sits into. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glue just on here. These parts go into. I don't want that glue to run off the side where there are latches. And I'll slide this whole section up. Switch is the right way out. Just not let it into place. Switch, still there clearly. I'll make sure that no super glue has gone into that switch. And the next part is the top doors. One goes in there, and the other one, this had a small little support which just comes off. That slots into place there. And then this is the topper piece. So this has got these help with printing for helping these thin parts stick down to the bed. They just snap off. And then this needs to be to the top there. So I'm going to put a very small here. If you've got thick super glue rather than this rubber stuff, I'm trying to make sure I keep it away from the areas moving past. That just up, push it down, click it into place, and press the sides in, making sure that's nice and square all the way on the top. And this one I definitely will. Super glue. That's up. I'll spray inside. All those joints nice and tight. So now what happens is when the door opens at the top, see that little latch fits into the door, so I can't open the lid now, so it's nice and stored. The door is opening freely and the switch is working properly. And the last piece to put on is the dice storage slider, which just stores in place. And when you want to use it, the door isn't openable at the moment at the front. It's because this is in place. So you slide this to the right a little bit, and that allows the door to open. Once that's fully shut, the door can't open. So open the door, shut it, make sure the switch is down. all complete. Rapid Fire Dicebox version 2.